Hey, YouTube family. It's me, Steve, with Riders in the Storm. Listen, I wanted to put up this quick YouTube video and ask a question. We're about to make a change, not in a rig or anything, but because we love our Montana fifth wheel for the most part. But we're going to take out the refrigerator. We're thinking about removing our air-cooled refrigerator and replacing it with a regular refrigerator. We went into Home Depot, took in our little watt tester, plugged it in, and we found one that meets the right dimensions and everything, and it will fit in. And all we will have to do then is plug it in the back where this one plugs in, which is what we have currently. But we wanted to ask you guys what you thought about changing out your refrigerator. Now, the advantages of this air-cooled, whatever, NorCold, is that you can take it anywhere as long as you have propane and some electricity that runs the fans in and whatnot, the little system. So NorCold, or should we go to about 110 watt refrigerator is what we figure. Now it will go all the way up to 172 watts when it is this refrigerator right here will go all the way up to 172 watts when it's defrosting. But other than that, it's pretty good. You can see it. I pulled up the specs right here, and you can see it says right there, defrosting power input 172 watts. But again, we put a watt tester on the back of it in the Home Depot, and we couldn't get it to go over about 100 watts. So that's what we're thinking, we're leaning towards. But there's another option out there, which is this refrigerator, which is a 12 volt. And I've heard both good and bad about it. The difference is, one is it's plug and play. If I put in the Home Depot refrigerator, I just plug it in the back where we plug in the refrigerator we have now. This one I got to run some thick cable or wire, probably at least 8 gauge, to the front off the battery system to run it. So this is another picture of what the refrigerator looks like from the for the rest of the refrigerator, for the full front view. So what do we do? What do you think? Do you think we should keep, or should we, replace it? Because we all need a place for our bananas. This is me getting a banana. Don't you dress up? It's getting close to Halloween. Thanks, guys. Let us know what you think.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm.